Hey, what's up, Softail Nation? Thanks for clicking on the video, checking out the dream build. Oh man, look at that shine. I'm gonna show you a couple of quick clips of me getting this stuff painted up, and I'll tell you what, oh my goodness, look at that gloss. Yeah, I know it's a little bit of PVC and some plastic, but it's all about the results, right, you guys? Woo, and those are results. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Woo! I just posted on my Facebook page, buffing that tank out. Somebody commented, man, that looks like chrome. Yeah, it's sick. I love it. So hang out with me on Softail Nation today, you guys. This is the dream bike build. We did a couple of other things. We got the throttle cable set up. We got some buffing done. We got the tank put together. And, woo, check out that paint. It is looking good. Okay, you guys, do not laugh at this. So, this is a homemade semi-downdraft paint booth. Air comes in up here, exits down there. I'm going to put some filters over that as it exits. And we're all ready to go. All right, they're sealed. And they got 2 coats of base coat on them. Black sealer, black base coat. And time for clear. Man, look at that shine. Softail Nation, how about that dash? Woo, yeah, that's gonna be sick. Holy reflection. Oh, yeah, there's a dirt nib. Dirt nib. We'll buff that out of there. Yes, the truth is, without a doubt, I need more space. But you make do with what you got, right? If you guys want to see videos on how to install cables, there's lots of videos for that. This will not be an instructional video on throttle cables. I can't see, you guys, I'm getting old. I need a flashlight. It's not rocket science. You guys, use tools if you have them. And sometimes my fingers are all thumbs. So don't let my fumbling around with this make you think that this is a hard job. Because this really isn't a hard job. If you can use all your faculties. Oh yeah, got it! Now we just got to make some minor adjustments. Do that kind of stuff. Well, I've got you guys right here. Check this out. My buttons are a little bit worn out and they're hard to read. So, the internet is amazing. We got new buttons. Let's go ahead and put some new buttons on there. Check it out. All right, you guys see that? There, you can see that, hopefully. Some new buttons. We got the start stop and we got the run. Oh, we got the off and run, and we have the new start button. And we have a new turn signal. So check it out. Let's get these suckers on there. Nice. Pops right off. Nice. I'm going to put the top of this back together. Alright, guys, so you can see what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna see if I can get this set up to where, let's see, yeah, let's see. Alright, so you see the little bit of slop in that. So I'm tightening the cables, I'm adjusting the cables to take that slop out. See that? Nice. I don't want, oh, see how nice and tight that is now? Ooh, yeah, baby. All right, sweet, throttle's on. Throttle cable's done. All right, now that the throttle cables are in, my goal today is to have the tank installed and the gauges and be able to turn on power. But my least favorite part of all of the painting process is buffing. And I gotta take some dirt nibs out. So we're gonna shine the old girl up. Shouldn't be too hard. Little color sanding action. Okay, just really quick, you guys can see I got that all sanded down. All the little dirt nibs out of there. And now it's time to fire up the old buffer. I really hate buffing, but it sure gives off some pretty sick results. Yeah. Well, you guys, I apologize. I got excited, set the tank on there. Oh, ho, 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 ho. My plan was to video setting that tank on there for you guys, but I'm sorry, it's there. I'm gonna leave this video right there. I'm gonna spend the rest of the night getting that dash polished and buffed out and getting that all installed. And anyway, I wanted to get something up tonight for you guys so that you could kind of see the progress. And anyway, thanks for checking out Softail Nation. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and woo, let's keep building this dream bike.